Hey everyone! Right now I would like to talk to you about our ConnectPlaza integration for Progress OpenEdge. What it is, why we added it, and how you can use it. ConnectPlaza is used by many ISVs in the Progress community, mainly due to our long-term relation with Progress, but also our understanding of the Progress community, OpenEdge AppServer, and its partners. This is why we added out-of-the-box building blocks to help you integrate directly with Progress's OpenEdge AppServer technology. These building blocks will allow users to directly integrate with Progress's ABL code and execute procedures on the AppServer, while allowing for data to flow to and from the Progress environment. This allows our users to directly connect to existing AppServer implementations and connect all kinds of applications directly into their app without having to implement additional code other than the existing ABL. The ConnectPlaza integration for OpenEdge is fast, reliable and easy to use, and it supports all versions of Progress AppServer, including the classic version and the Pacific. With these building blocks, you can easily expose your application procedures and data as RESTful or web service APIs by using ConnectPlaza flows to expose your data. The integration for Progress OpenEdge is bundled with ConnectPlaza in the form of a consumer for asynchronous polling of the AppServer, producer for asynchronous sending data to the AppServer, and a service for synchronous or request-response communication with the AppServer. By dragging and dropping, for example, the OpenEdge service into your flow, you can immediately start to configure how to use it. By double-clicking on the component, we can open its settings. We need to configure the AppServer settings by providing the URL, username and password, procedure name, and input-output parameter names of the procedure we wish to execute. By configuring it this way, it can use data from the consumer component as a request to the AppServer while placing the response in the outgoing producer. If you're interested in our product, please try it for free now, and please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch all other great videos on our products, explore our possibilities, or follow our tutorials online. Thanks for watching.